And welcome to Opportunity Hunt. Are you looking for the work from home job in the tech industry? So today we have got a great opportunity for you to consider. That is a product support analyst role at CSG company. So what is a product analyst role? We are going to see. So imagine being the bridge between the customer and the technology. As a product support analyst, you will be going to the go-to person for the customers who have the questions or issues with the CSG software product. So you will be troubleshooting the problems and answering all the queries. Simply we can say that the customers which are facing the problems in the CSG software, you are going to deal with that problem and giving the optimal solution to the customer. And you are also giving the guidance to ensure that the customers get the most problems solved in the software. What type of people they are looking for? The first, the college graduates, like ideally you will have a bachelor's degree in the business or related field or equivalent experience, and who are interested in the tech saver, that is understanding the software and technology is a plus for them, and the great communicator too as well, who communicates well and explain the things very clearly and build the customer satisfaction more. And the last, that is a fast learner. You should be eager to learn new things and adapt the new changes in the world in the tech scenarios as well. And one of the bonus point, if you have experience with the CRM systems and other software tools and the knowledge of software development lifecycle and product management lifecycle, would be some of the best point, and which will be giving the more chance for the interviewers to keep the interest on you, right? So we will also see why to work at a CSG. So CSG offers a fantastic opportunity to work remotely and gain a valuable experience in the tech industry and be a part of the supportive team environment. And they are known for their focus on learning and growth, building the unforgettable customers experience, right? So now the main point, how to apply for this. If you are interested in the product support analyst, then go to the description box where I have been given a link in that. So don't forget to check out CSG's career page too to learn more about the company's culture and other job openings. Thanks for joining us on the Opportunity Hunt. If you are interested in the career in tech support and want a flexible work from home job, so be sure to check out this exciting opportunity at CSG. So don't forget to like and share to these friends, and do subscribe for more job hunting tips and exciting career opportunities.